That's right. Through the evolution of the F-150, we've done a lot of LED light work. As you guys might know, if you're following the channel, is that we just put the Morimoto taillights on the truck, and I think they look awesome. I think most of you guys agree as well. Definitely different from the Ansos that were on there previously. Now, since we recently did the taillight upgrade, I probably got a million questions from people asking, are you doing the Morimoto headlights as well? And the answer is, of course. That's what we're doing in today's video. I'm very, very excited for that. They just didn't arrive at the same time, so I couldn't do it at the same time as we installed the taillights. So we've had these Anso switchbacks for, I don't know. Yeah, it's a while now. It's almost 10 months, I think. And I actually really like them. They look good. But since I saw the Morimotos, my mind has changed. Just the LED lighting, there's 4 different projectors within that housing, and they're just so much better. If you guys haven't seen them yet, you're, I think, gonna love them after we're done with the install in today's video. So it goes without saying that I will be selling these Ansos along with the taillights as well, the Anso taillights, that is. You know, I mean, they work just perfectly, nothing wrong with them. I'm going to turn on the turn signal here so you guys can see how they operate. So there you have it. They look really, really good. Nothing wrong with them whatsoever. I just want an upgrade. However, it is currently raining outside like it has for the whole day. So we're going to get the hell out of here, go visit Moon Township Ford and our good friend at Pittsburgh Views. Now, before we take off, I thought I should mention real quick that earlier today I was out driving the AMG. I wasn't planning on filming anything. I was just going to go look at a new G-Class. No, not to buy, unfortunately. I just wanted to see. I'd never seen it before, so I was driving to Bobby Rail Mercedes where I bought the car. And I actually noticed that there is a pretty serious problem with this car. And no, this is not some over dramatical hype thing for the next video type clickbait thing. It actually has a pretty serious problem. I don't know exactly what it is yet, so I can't tell you guys in this video, but that will be a topic for the next video uploaded after this one. I'm sure we'll work it out though, although it is pretty worrying, but enough about that now. Off to Moon Township Ford. Traction, Mike, traction! Once again, here we are, old stomping grounds, Moon Township Ford, and check out this Expedition. This thing's pretty nice, man. It's gotta be like a sport edition, and it's got like a, what is that, some matte green color? Man, that's pretty sweet. I like that. Review, what? Brian Pittsburgh Views.
Give me some energy. Oh!
There's your energy drink. There's your energy drink.
Little product placement for you?
Oh, we wish. That'd be nice to be sponsored.
Oh, yeah. Why are you tripping, Mike?
Mad tripping, B.
What a big box you have.
Oh, yeah. A Morimoto.
Stop it.
Can't get through it. What a stupid stall you have, right?
Yeah. Woo, fancy.
Check these out. I love this housing, how it's like it's all smoked out and black. This is gonna look so sick. We got like 4 different projectors here, and they're integrated, so we don't need any, like, you know, I don't have to use my old bulbs or anything. So here we see the difference between the new Morimoto and the Anso. I'm just holding it up here, but yeah, it's gonna look nice. All right, Brian, so let me tell you what to do here.
Tell me what to do.
No, but we got 2 screws here, normally to just remove like the part of the fender liner here, but I have fender flares. We got 2 here, and then we got a bunch of 10mm screws here, and then you have to remove this housing here, Brian.
Ah, makes sense. No swearing on YouTube. Don't break your truck.
Damn it! This is the wrong size too. Damn it! What the man? There we go. No. One out, one to go. All right, so we got both of the old Anzo housings off of the truck. Big gaping holes here. Next step is to take, I think it's this fuse right here or that one. And it goes without saying that I got these Morimotos just like I did the tails from 4x4 truck LEDs. Those guys are definitely my go-tos when it comes to LED lighting for my truck. So big thanks to them once again. They're super duper easy to work with always. That's why I stick with them. If you're interested in seeing what they have for your truck, there's a link to them always in the description below. So what we've done now is pull this DRL wire all the way
What's
through
DRL
here.
stand for, Mike?
Daytime running light.
There you go.
I know, I've learned some things. Down to right here on this side and then also on that side. Come on, Brian.
It's on.
Can't close the fuse box?
I can, actually.
So now starts the plugging, of course. A lot of plug.
Alright, the daytime running lights lit up. The side markers lit up. Alright, the top two lights are lit up. Yeah, everything's lit up.
Everything?
Yeah. Everything lit up.
See that DRL? Oh!
Sweet.
Hey, we didn't try the turn signal though.
Oh, you're right. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's awesome.
There. I'm taking my screwdriver, Brian.
You were just making fun.
Yeah, that's sick, man.
They are bright.
That is nice.
This thing's twice as bright as those. Yeah, the high beams are on, the DRL's on, the low beams are on. Turn signal's working.
Don't ruin my truck, Brian.
We already did that. There's an extra bolt here, Mike.
Huh?
There was a bolt.
What bolt?
I don't know, a black one.
Okay, where's that going?
Did you put the one in there?
Probably not. Damn it.
No, you did not. See? See what happens when you go too fast, Michael?
Thank God I have you, Brian. Alright, so we're just tightening everything up now and look at how good this looks. Without the lights even being illuminated, just the whole housing, it just matches more with the truck. Looks awesome. I mean, the truck's dirty and doesn't look very good, but the new Morimoto lights sure as hell do. And as always, big thanks to... What?
Put the socket on that ratchet.
Hell, man, I'm filming it, right? Again, big thanks to my good friend Brian here. Pittsburgh View. Last screw for the fender flare. Brian's taking super long on his side. I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah.
Like mine was done super fast over here. No, that was my side and I messed something up as usual. So he has to fix it. Can't do anything without you, Brian. I mean, I can, but it would cost me a lot more money.
I'm aware.
So definitely go check out his channel if you haven't already. And big thanks to 4x4 Truck LEDs for once again hooking me up. I mean, I have to pay money, but hooking me up, good
if
service.
you guys all just subscribe to my channel right now, then you won't have to hear Mike talk about it anymore.
So the truck is definitely. So the truck is definitely coming along. We got more interior mods coming. Pretty soon here I'm gonna have a new suspension. And you know, I mean, the question comes up many times, like, when are you done? And it's not close, but I think we're getting a whole lot closer than we were about 6 months ago. I mean, my plan isn't to just constantly modify this truck, but you know, I mean, the way it sits right now, I love the way it looks. A couple things missing, but you know, it's pretty close to perfection in my eyes. What I'm waiting for though is definitely better weather. I want to get out and like put this truck to its limits, you know, beat Brian in a drag race and it's M4, you know, fun stuff like that. Because, you know, with this weather, I haven't really been able to utilize the Supercharger. It's pretty much useless when it's slushy and snowy, even when it's rainy. You know, but better times are coming. Is that right, Brian?
Hopefully. The M4 needs to get out as well.
What?
The M4 needs to get out on the street as
well.
Of
course. It's coming, it's coming. Pull right, Brian. Pull right. I guess we can remote start it right away. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that is nice. I love it. I can tell the lens doesn't do these lights justice. Turn the brights on. Oh yeah. Man, that is sick. Alright, so now we got the Morimoto's headlights and of course the taillights as well. Looking good, looking good. Alright, so this was definitely one of our quicker modification install times that we've had. I mean, I don't know how long this video will end up being, but this was actually a whole lot easier than installing the Anzos. A lot quicker, and I'm happy with the result. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.